How to become a network engineer? With the modernization of each generation, data agility and network design are booming. Employers are anticipating candidates with skills like network scanning and systems administration based on their technical and networking terminologies.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
A network engineer is an IT professional who designs, implements, and maintains computer networks, ensuring reliable and secure communication within organizations. They are responsible for everything from initial network setup to ongoing maintenance, troubleshooting, and security management. Essentially, they make sure all the devices on a network can talk to each other effectively and safely. Network engineers set up, develop, and maintain physical and wireless computer networks within an organization or between organizations. The demand for network engineers or network administrator has surged in less than a decade. Experts predict that the workplace can continue to soar shortly as well. The industry is quite competitive as the demand for network engineers is increasing per day. You have to make your move fast to earn a reputed and respectful position as a job candidate. It is one of the best and most stable occupations one would wish to have. Companies are looking for highly trained network engineers to boost their systems. The recent case of the Pegasus virus has ruled out the effects of all existing crises. In such a case, the job of a network engineer becomes unmatched. They must deliver outstanding points and strategies to recover and restore all the vital data plus information. Thus, the job nature yet again becomes impeccable and abiding. What is a network engineer? You must be curious about what is a network engineer, or rather, who is a network engineer. A network engineer or a network administrator is an IT professional whose job is to design, build, and maintain the flawless performance of networks. They are mainly required for networks such as an intranet, extranet, LAN, local area network, and WAN, wide area network. An IT network engineer undertakes the task of finding issues and resolving them with their resources. The network administrators will also benefit from enhancing network systems, hardware, software, and other relevant systems and performing disaster recovery plans. What does a network engineer do? Every business and company fed information to their computers. Depending on the company, a network engineer or network administrators must create, implement and administer networks, firewalls, routers, controllers, troubleshooting issues, etc. These are some of the key responsibilities a network engineer is supposed to do. 1. Maintaining and administering the computer's networks and associated computing devices such as hardware, software, configuration, etc. 2. To monitor and troubleshoot serious problems with separate strategies to deal with separate hurdles. 3. One of the primary jobs of a network engineer is to install firewalls, routers, proxy servers, and load balancers. Monitor and configure virus protection software and applications to detect fatalities and determine if any adjustments are required. 4. Protection of data, software, and network systems by implementing coordinated and well-planned security measures. Also, their work involves them replacing faulty hardware components when required. Network administrators have to schedule and keep up with the network updates and upgrades. 5. They have to work with external services and confer with the users and discuss the existing problems that need to be solved to ensure optimal network traffic. 6. Network engineers are required to coordinate network access and use for safe and secure network trafficking. They are also required to operate master consoles to monitor network systems and computer performance. 7. As network administrators, their main job is to maintain strict security and to perform disaster recovery plans and backups whenever data backups are required. They need to update their virus protection software and applications and implement new and improved network systems. These are the works of network engineers. The employers desire them. Becoming a networking engineer needs much dedication and effort to refine yourself.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.